Hey guys, it's Geeky here, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're reacting to YTP Outie, Innie, Algae. Not Outie, Innie, Ouchie. Outie, Innie, Algae. And we're doing a double reaction today because I felt like it. Let's just go straight into it.
The ultimate green energy is being grown in Wooster, Ohio.
Swooster.
Ohio is grown, but with enough water, Ohio can be entirely water. Ohio Mark. The ultimate green energy is ultimately energy, but the ultimate green energy can be grown in Ohio. Grown nestry underwear.
Ew. Why?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Why?
Walk into Dr. Phil's mad scientist lab, and you might just
Dr.
think
Phil's a
you've uncovered
scientist
a
now,
man
I guess.
glass tubes bubbling with a bubbling substance. This is the stuff. This is the stuff 1940s horror and sci-fi movies were made of. 1940s horror. But what is happening here is actually fucking boring.
It has the potential to create jobs for the people of Ohio and
your mom.
and do it called over again. What we do here is we're trying to get very high. What we do is we take waste streams from multiple sources. Say, has the potential to
CO2.
At the end of these cycles,
you get nothing.
Whether you call them an algae farmer, or technology farmer, or farm farmer, or friendly farmer, or oil farmer, what we're trying to do is take the algae and extract the oil from the algae, and take the leftovers and waste it to feed my large ass.
What?
We're not. You'll see waste material from my ass.
I don't need to see that.
Oil from the waste material, so we end up utilizing all of the poop and use it to feed the algae.
What? What?
Algae. So we end up closing the loop, or not. So
on what?
This is a great process.
Do you believe in this nonsense?
No, I don't.
It can be a thing.
No.
There's many things you can make from algae. Plastics, rubbers, and you
Oh
can
my
make,
god.
I think you can make nutraceuticals.
What are those?
I haven't heard of that meme in so long.
This is actually unopened.
The other thing that's interesting is it's an open question whether you could actually grow algae in this part of the country in this kind of climate. It was an open question whether you could actually climb the algae.
The reason I climbed your algae was to get Ohio's attention.
Ohio is sort of unique in that it's got a lot of very wonderful things. The first one is it's got a lot of garbage.
Damn.
Secondly, it's got a lot of nothing. And it's got a lot
all
of
of
flat
nothing.
land. It's got a lot of water. And it's got a lot of water on the top of the water.
What?
Ponds of this size could lose 5 guys. We can.
This is the stuff light green substances are made of.
A lot of people think, oh, we should be in the South. I think you're going to find a lot of sexy people in the South.
Algae can be used for production of energy.
Oh, no. No.
One nice thing about my large tea is it grows really, really fast.
I don't need to know that.
Anywhere from 24 to 48 inches.
Absolutely huge.
We can have.
You should get that checked out. That's not normal.
Actually, what is happening here is I just touched Phil's remarkably very dead.
No.
Dr. Lee discovered that making out with a light bulb is actually quite energizing.
Work on about fields. I think right now.
This subtitling is actually quite racist. Phil partners with Dr. Lee. Together, they are developing lazy technology for efficiently growing algae. Phil just thinks they are developing innovative technology, but what is happening here is actually Dr. Lee's developing a Ponzi scheme.
Ponzi schemes of this size, that's just 500 lies.
500
As it turns out, Dr. Lee's Ponzi scheme is actually quite illegal.
We're then going to take industrial biohazard material and we send that over to Dr. Lee. And Dr. Lee's going to die. There's no doubt about it.
GG. Very nice headstone.
We're trying to be as environmentally friendly as we can. So we're taking Dr. Lee's leftover body and we send that over for anaerobic digestion to grow algae.
This project is an integrated process.
The anaerobic digestion process
I just yawned,
is one
sorry.
where you take
I tried to hide that.
and produces.
As it turns out, this is the stuff pizzas are made of.
No. No.
As it turns out, there are no scientists at work in Ohio. Just this night, perhaps one day, they will be harvesting tea. And we can say it all happened right here in Ohio.
Algae.
Oh my God, 38
Algae.
instances.
And algae.
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 Algae. Algae. Algae. Algae.
Algae.
Algae. Algae. Algae. Algae. Algae.
Algae.
Algae.
Yeah.
Algae. Algae.
Algae.
And what effect that has, because all of those variables.
Oh my God. Not again. You gotta get that. No, don't!
Ohio.
Well, that's the end of that video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video of Double Reaction.